kids, welcome to the show. Today we are going to do an experiment on how to make our rocket fly. Step 1. Get your materials. The materials you will need is tape, scissors, a balloon, string wire or yarn, and a straw. Step 2. Put the string in your straw. Step 3. Find 2 close doorknobs like this and tie it around each one. Step 4. Blow your balloon. Step 5. Cut a piece of tape and make it into 2 and tape it onto the balloon that is blown, and tape it 1/2 on the balloon and put the other up. Tape your balloon like this until it looks like this. The balloon is good enough over here. Step 6. Let go of your balloon. So you see how the balloon used its air that it had inside and blowed the straw to the other side. This is how. Because when you let go of the balloon, the air goes in one direction, but the balloon goes in the other. Because of that, the air is pushing the balloon to get to the other side. You can also use a balloon for driving a small car. Not really you. So what you need is straws, 3 straws, 4 fat bottle caps, milk caps, a balloon, cardboard, and tape, and big chopsticks, which if you don't have, ask your parents to buy them. And make sure the bottle caps turn good, like this. And you may see that I have this tiny straw over here. I pretended as a booster to make my car go zoom, zoom, zoom.